In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share video with sound on Google Meet. When you're presenting a video in an online meeting, one of the most common issues is that participants can see your screen, but they can't hear the audio from your video. This usually happens when the screen sharing option isn't set up to share system audio. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to share a video with sound in Google Meet, so that everyone in your meeting can see and hear it clearly. First, start by opening Google Meet in your browser and either create a new meeting or join an existing one. Make sure you're fully inside the meeting, not just on the preview screen. You should see the main meeting window with the controls along the bottom. Next, go ahead and open the video you want to share in a separate tab or window. For example, this could be a YouTube video, a video file opened in a browser tab, or a web page that contains an embedded video. It's always a good idea to load the video in advance and pause it at the point where you want to start, so you don't waste time searching for it while everyone is watching. Now, return to your Google Meet tab. At the bottom of the screen, look for the Present button, sometimes labeled as Present Now. Click on that and you'll see several options for what you can share. To make sure your video's sound is included, you have two good choices. The first is to share a specific browser tab. Select the option that says something like A tab or A Chrome tab, depending on your browser. A list of your open tabs will appear. Choose the tab that has your video. Before you click Share, look for a small checkbox or toggle that says Share Tab Audio or similar. Make sure this is turned on. This is what allows the sound from that tab to be heard by everyone in the meeting. The second option is to share your entire screen with audio, if your browser offers that feature on your device. This can be useful if your video is in a media player outside the browser, but keep in mind that participants will see everything on your screen. Once you're sharing, go to the Video tab and press play. Ask one participant to confirm they can hear the audio clearly. If they can't, stop presenting and repeat the process, making sure the audio checkbox is enabled before sharing again. When you're done, just return to Google Meet and click Stop Presenting. That's all you need to confidently share videos with sound on Google Meet.